Hello and welcome to our Introduction to Exponential Functions Mid-Unit Assessment. This is Algebra 1, Unit 5, test on exponential functions. So question 1, right here, we got this game show. Players play multiple rounds to score points. Each round has 3 times as many points available as the previous round. And I say, which equation shows the number of points available, P, in round N of the game? And throughout these, whatever 7 lessons that we've gone over exponential functions, we keep writing the same exact equation out, the same equation over and over again. And we start at the beginning. Every time we start at the beginning. So I'm looking up here, and the beginning is going to be at round 0. And what did we have? How many points did we have at round 0? We had 25 points. So that's the first thing we're going to plug into our formula here. So we could say the points as a function of the round equals the 25 where we started with. We always start at the beginning every single time. Where do we start? Round 0 is worth 25 points. Now we need to know our rate of change. So you could look at your table and say, hey, you know what? 75 is 3 times 25. It's definitely not as obvious, but it's still true, though, that 225 is 3 times 75. But look, they told us right up here in the directions. They said each round has 3 times as many points. So we're tripling the points. Every round that goes by, we're going to triple the points. But there's our rate of change. I highlighted it in blue, so I'm going to write it in blue down here. We're going to triple it every time. And what is this unit? It's called exponentials. And what's that got to do with the exponent? What makes the exponential function? It's when the variable is in the exponent position. So right up here, we're going to have n for the number of rounds. And so our points as a function of the number of rounds equals the 25 that we started with times 3, because we're tripling every time, to the power of n. And that's looking like D right here. Here's our answer to question number 1. Start at the beginning, whatever that is, multiply it times the rate of change, and put your variable in the exponent position.